In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw feet. For a more detailed breakdown of this tutorial, including still images that you can follow along with, be sure to follow the link in the description below. Let's get started drawing feet by thinking about the form of a foot. Think of a wedge when you think of a foot. So we'll start out by drawing a wedge shape. Simply put a few shapes together to create a wedge form. Next, we'll draw the shape for the second foot. Since this foot is pointed toward the viewer, the shapes that we'll draw for it are simple shapes instead of forms. Continue the first form on the other foot by extending the wedge out with a slight curve. Next, add a couple of lines for the legs, and add a line for the heel. Now you can simply define where the toes will be inside of the foot shapes that you have already drawn. Now just use the lines that you have drawn as a guide to finish your drawing of feet. Add some details like the toenails and wrinkles in the toes. Be sure to vary the line width so that your drawing has a bit of depth. So there you go, that's how to draw feet step by step.